Good morning. Very shocking judgment. The police cops who are bound to protect our life, protection of life in civil establishment, robbed him, assaulted him, and took him, hid him, and later threw his body in the bush. Registered FIR under 174 CRPC, closed the FIR as it was an accident. All lot of manipulation of records, fabrication of evidences. But God is great. It had happens always. God facilitated to commit crime. Later he himself trap you for punishment. I do not know what is this drama of God. Whatever it may be, I want to share this judgment. Very important judgment, deals with medical jurisprudence also, because I don't think this judgment is nothing but conscious judgment of the Supreme Court judges L. Nageshwar Rao and Naveen Sinha. AR 2017, Supreme Court 3720, Dharampal vs. State of Haryana. Evidence of Section 3, then 300 CRPC, Section 106 were discussed. Only history would help to understand what had happened. This Kanwal 9 Aurora, Faridabad, left along with his employee Kamlesh, who was subsequently examined as PW6, by a scooter to purchase toughened glass seats for TV showcase. Then he did not return. Then what happened? His relatives searched for him, and subsequently the body was found the next day. Then the scooter which was used by the deceased was also found nearby 3 to 4 feet. The unfortunate and fortunate thing was at the time around 2 p.m. when these witnesses searched for deceased, they did not find any body at the place where it was found at 5:30 p.m. FIR was registered. They suspect the employee would have committed murder. Then the closer report was filed. Magistratal inquiry was ordered, and magistrate revealed that this is died due to asphyxia. Then CBI investigation was ordered. The charge sheet was filed under section 302, read with 30. The A1 and A2 were in uniform and were armed with rifles. They wanted to stop the vehicle of the deceased. When he refused, the rifle's butt was used to struck him on the head, and he fell down, and Kamlesh Kumar also fell down, and thereafter Kamlesh Kumar was detained illegally till 15/9/2096 to manage this. The lower court convicted all the accused under 306, 302 read with 34, 394 read with 120B, 201 read with 120B, 218 read with 120B, and 343 read with 120B. All other accused also convicted. See, the postmortem reveals that there was no external injury. Tongue had protruded between the teeth. The lips were swollen and averted. Blood-stained Growth was coming out of nostrils. Nails were sinusoid, linear, trachea, right lung, left lung, liver, spleen, kidneys, mouth, pharynx, and esophagus were found congested, and bladder was found empty. The blood recovered from the earth and other things was not matched with that of deceased, because the police official have fabricated all these things. The Supreme Court, the High Court also confirmed the sentence. The Supreme Court accepted the evidences apart from the evidence of PW 6. They said it is clear from that A1 to A3 to cover up their crime by filing closer report created fabrication of the investigation. Then into this is what had happened. The Kanwal 9 Arora, PW2, father of the deceased, the evidence that when he was searched the early hours, there was no body, but subsequently 5:30 p.m. the body was found. There was heavy rain. Unfortunately, the body was very dry. All these were found against this accused, and convictions were confirmed. Appeals were dismissed. This is what happening. So it is happening from years together, even during emergency in the National Security Act. A Keralite was taken to custody, done to death, and the police official made all attempts to screen their crime, but finally they succeeded. Like that, multi number of police. This is not police excess. This is police committing robbery and murder and screening the offences, taking advantage of their position. The government building police station was used to confine the person who accompanied the deceased. What to do? That is why I have filed a public interest litigation before Justice Iqbal, when he was Chief Justice, that I want to amend Central Industrial Security Force as Central Internal Security Force, because the police officials are not only refusing to register complaint and also almost helping the accused to escape from the custody, filing charge sheet in a vague way without any experience. For all this, at least there should be some forum within the state that may also not help, because in these offences political pressure was only there. The police officials act as a puppets. Another thing was when we travel in other states, there are heavy possibilities of local police supporting the local people rather supporting the visitors. For all those things, the Central Internal Security Force should be constituted by amending the Central Industrial Security Force, by expanding that investigation power, FIR, if any grievance of the citizens against state police or state officials, by listing the scheduled officials, and also if they travel in the other state for a official purpose or touring purpose, whatever may holy or religious purpose, that only will suffice to restore these fundamental rights guaranteed under Part 3 of the Constitution, a major right to live. See, this is what happened. I am very sorry, and in almost all cases, session judges are not exercising their power to award compensation, heavy compensation, for or the victim's family. That is also to be noticed. The best wishes.